Hello and welcome to another Mintsoft tutorial video. This time we're going to take a look at the SLA dashboard, which is a part of the Pro Dashboards suite. To access this module, you'll need to speak to your salesperson or account manager and arrange it as part of your package. This service level agreement dashboard is primarily aimed at 3PLs to help meet client commitments and avoid breaches. This powerful dashboard is easy to read, simple to set up, and provides live information to the user in a matter of seconds. Let's take a look now. To find the dashboard, you will head to the Pro Dashboards menu on the left hand side and then go to SLA Dashboard. In a matter of seconds, everything will be loaded live so you can see accurate information about the current state of play in your warehouse. As you can see, we're met with many modules on screen already. Please keep in mind that this is simply test data for the sake of this demonstration, as we cannot share a real customer's operational data. Once you're set up, your own client's data will be reflected here. Currently, we're viewing all clients, but you can filter this dashboard using the client filter at the top of the page too, as with any screen on Mintsoft. Let's take a look at these modules now. First, we have the outstanding orders, which also shows the number of orders which have been shipped. We have the pick rate, which is showing an average hourly pick rate and also a target number of orders per hour pick rate. We have an SLA warning, and we have an SLA breached count to show how many orders are at risk of breaching and have already breached. We have picking batches status, so in this example there's only outstanding batches to be picked. We have order shipping status, which shows how many orders have been shipped and how many are outstanding. We've got here the top 5 clients at risk of an SLA breach, so here we have the client, number of orders at risk, and the risk level. As we scroll down, there's many more modules to have a look at. So we have orders outstanding by status, so here we have the different status, the count and the percentage of those, so you can see where the orders are at currently in your warehouse. We have the SLA breach risk orders, so here we have client, order number, and time left, so in this example they've all been breached already. We have idle picking batches here, where you can see the client, the batch, the number of orders in that batch, the number of units in that batch, and the idle time, how long that batch has been sitting in place without being picked. Then we have the customer orders outstanding, so here you've got the client, number of orders, and number of units. As we go down, we've got the outstanding orders by client, and as you hover over this chart, you can see the numbers and the clients too. You've got the client SLA summary, so for the past 7 days you have a list here of clients, total orders, and your SLA compliance. We have the top 5 courier orders outstanding as well, simply showing the name of the courier and the number of orders, and the collection time as well. You've also got system alerts, and at the bottom you've also got a pick rate. It's not showing in this example, but you would see the current pick rate versus the required pick rate per hour to ensure you're meeting all your SLA commitments. The setup of this module is very simple. At the top you can hover over this cog here, which is for the SLA configuration. If you click that, you're taken to the SLA configuration page, and here you can simply create a new rule for a client, or you can upload a CSV of rules in bulk. If we were going to do it manually, we can click here, and then we can simply set the client this rule relates to, the warehouse that this rule relates to. You can then also specify a channel in case you've got different rules for different channels. You can then also specify a particular courier if necessary. You can then specify a cutoff time, an SLA warning time, collection time, and a number of days for handling. Once you've set this up, the dashboard will reflect data for your live activity in the warehouse. If we go back to the list of rules on the SLA configuration page, you can see them on here. You can see when they were last updated and by who. You've got the cutoff times, warning times, etc. You can select all the rules, and then in bulk actions here you can delete them or export them. And you can also click actions to edit or delete a rule individually if you need to as well. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you found this video helpful.